Well, one of the reasons you want to use antiox is, boy, the sun on the front of my phone ain't helping. But when you have that much corrosion, that stuff will eat. And it did the bottom side of that battery terminal. Oh, come here. If you look, you'll see a ridge that comes around. And where is it? I know somewhere on this that thing was gone. Must be on the back side. But this outer ridge is gone. So I actually wire brushed that thing off. And I put antiox on. That should help it. But that can corrode that until the bolt is, the threads are shot and the nut won't come off. And you end up cutting the terminal post off. The negative wasn't too bad. I cleaned that up. Put antiox on both terminals so they won't corrode. And that should protect even the corroded section. You can get a voltage drop. You can measure the voltage between the top of the post here and the top of the post here and get, say, 12.9 volts. And then you can measure it on these terminals and you can actually see it drop a couple volts. And you don't want that. That's a voltage drop just across the post to the terminals. So, and again, the Everstart Value 26R from Walmart, if you take in a core, which would be this thing. The other thing I wanted to point out is I got to drain the oil out of this. And I was thinking this thing either sunk into the ground. I mean, this black portion down, where's my hand? This black portion down here is at least 2 inches high. So that's in the ground. And I dug all these stones back because the stone is, well, as you can see, right up to the top of the white. And it puts my draining right up even or above the sump, and you don't want that. But I think this stone was a afterthought because I see a timber right there, pressure treated timber, which is what they usually put around these and fill with pea stone. And then somebody else did landscaping, I'm guessing, and put in the bigger stone, the number 2s. But anyways, I dug that out with my foot the best I can. I'm going to try to get that in and down as close as I can to get that to drain out. And I'm guessing this thing hasn't seen service since it's been installed. The only fault with it was that auxiliary shutdown switch on the back, which is strange for something that's never been seen. I'm going to look in here, check the filter. This filter, you undo the clips on the front, you push it towards the back, because these tabs actually come through 2 slots, and I seen them broken off on another unit. And this right here runs down into here, and the mice can come right up through there and get your filter. So I'll check that. I'll clean it up some, and I'll go from there. It'll be another 4 years at least until that battery gets replaced. I might stop back. I sometimes stop back if I'm driving by, look, see how it's doing. I can actually spray it with some antiox that I have. It's called Battery Terminal Protector. I don't like using that, but I do because it's the only thing that'll save them. I like to take this clear stuff that I have and just smear it on the outside It acts as a lubricant to the threads, and it takes care of that corrosion. Anyway, I'm going to push forward. Nothing to see here, because it's just going to be the oil change, filter, maybe air filter. The spark plugs work, because that stupid battery over there, although 7 years old, did start it. Had a little rough time, but it started this generator. So we'll see. So until next time.